Losing weight and being physically active help lower your risk of obesity-related diseases. Intermittent fasting can cause weight loss of 3 to 8% over 3 to 24 weeks. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern alternating between periods of eating and fasting. Intermittent fasting can help with weight loss because it may help you eat less overall. In this video, let's see how to lose weight fast with intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting explained. Intermittent fasting is not a diet, it's a pattern of eating. It's a way of scheduling your meals so that you get the most out of them. Studies suggest that it may be one of the most effective ways to lose weight and belly fat. Intermittent fasting works by prolonging the period when your body has burned through the calories consumed during your last meal and begins burning fat. Once you pass 12 hours of fasting, your body will enter into a state called ketosis, where you're reliant on burning your fat stores for energy. Ketosis is a metabolic state in which your body uses fat for fuel instead of glucose carbs. As fat cells are broken down for energy, ketone bodies are created and released into the bloodstream. Ketone bodies act as fuel for the brain when glucose is scarce. One of the most popular approaches to intermittent fasting is the 16/8 method. The 16/8 method involves fasting for 16 hours every day and only eating during an 8-hour window. Include a lot of healthy fats, protein and fresh vegetables in your meals while following intermittent fasting. To lose weight on the 16/8 diet, it's important to match the fasting with healthy eating and exercise. If done so correctly, there's a typical weight loss of around 7 to 11 pounds over a 10-week period. You might begin to first notice a difference in your body about 10 days after you begin intermittent fasting. It could take between 2 to 10 weeks for you to lose significant weight. You might lose up to a pound each week. There are no specific recommendations for food consumption during intermittent fasting, but eating fruits, vegetables and whole grains can help boost fiber intake and help relieve constipation that sometimes accompanies fasting. Who should not intermittent fast? There are several groups who should not intermittent fast, according to the studies. Those individuals include those who are pregnant or lactating, children under 12, those with a history of disordered eating, those with a body mass index, or BMI, less than 18.5, shift workers. Studies have shown they may struggle with fasting regimens because of shifting work schedules, and those who need to take medication with food at regimented times. Like many diets, you need to remain consistent and make lifestyle changes to get results. It might take a few weeks for you to drop your first pound from intermittent fasting. However, once you start, you can expect to lose about a pound each week. Some people can lose up to 10 pounds each month. Although most people practice intermittent fasting to enhance weight loss, it has been associated with many other health benefits as well. In fact, studies show that intermittent fasting may improve blood sugar levels, decrease cholesterol, and boost longevity.